Hi everyone, I hope you can join Tina's Cute Critter Challenge. So this month's theme is Halloween. So all you need to do is make 3 projects, 1 card, 1 tag, and 1 anything goes using cute critters in this month's theme by October the 22nd. Please use any crafty items from your stash. Post your projects on YouTube, your IG, and your blog using the hashtag Tina's Cute Critter Challenge. Please be sure to subscribe to The Scrappin' Rabbit, my channel, as well as Crafty Paws, and leave a comment on all of our channels. And one lucky winner will be chosen and announced on October 22nd. So good luck, everyone! Hi everyone, it's October 1st and today is the first day for Tina's Cute Critter Challenge. I'm glad you can join us today. I wanted to share a couple of projects to inspire you on how you can use your stash and a couple of dies or using your Cricut and critter stamp sets to create some fun Halloween themed cute critters. And so part of Tina's challenge is to create 1 card, 1 tag, and anything goes. And so today, October 1st, I decided to do a combination of die cuts. And I used a lot of die cuts from my stash. Next week, when you tune back in, I will be able to show you a couple of my Cricut projects for Tina's Cute Critter Challenge. So let me start with you. So I used the paper stash. Tina had sent me a kit, and I will link the unboxing video in the description box below or right up here if you'd like to click on that. So she sent me a kit, and I used this paper pack for all 3 of my projects. And I actually have this in my stash. This is actually a Miss Sparkle and Company. It was on clearance last year, and there's a whole bunch of different copper toned cards, and it comes with envelopes as well. So I pulled that out, and then I used my card mat dies. I used a lot of Jaded Blossom dies, and so I used my card mat dies to cut out a frame for the card using the paper stack, the Pets and Pumpkins die cuts with a view paper stack. And Tina had gifted to me a couple of die cuts that I can paper piece together, and so I used the little skeleton dog as well as a little pumpkin pail that he has filled with a bunch of bones. I used the trick or treat die, and as well as placed on the bottom another Halloween die set from Jaded Blossom. This is the Halloween dies, and I used the little spooky little blood trim, if you will, on the very bottom. I just cut it out with the black cardstock, glitter cardstock, and there you go. This is a cute little fun little critter card, and inside I just used the Pretty Pink Posh stamp set that I was gifted in the kit by Tina to add the Happy Halloween sentiment and some stars and paws. Next week I will be able to share with you a little bit of coloring and cards or tags that I will be using with this stamp set. So that is my first card. I added a couple of bling pieces here and there as well, just to add a little bit. So he is ready for his trick-or-treating with all of his feline friends in the background. And next up, I made a little tag for a gift bag, and this tag is compliments of little witchy Hello Kitty. I have a Happy Witches to You little stamp that I pulled from my CC Designs. This is the Monster Mash, and I used the little stamp that that went perfect with the Hello Kitty witch. I have this die cut from my stash. It is from Crafter's Companion, a little fence die, and the fence die created a little background piece for the little Hello Kitty, and this is a dimensional spider that I added, as well as a little bat, a sparkling bat. The tag set that I used is actually also a Jaded Blossom. It's the luggage tag dies, and it comes with this really cute little piece that you kind of hook over just to create a little bit more of an embellished or a clean look for the tag. And so that is my tag share that I created for this Tina's Cute Critter Challenge. And lastly, I created a sweet treat. Used my Jaded Blossom die, the candy bar slider die. This is so super cute. This is a cute little box, candy box that you put together. And this is one of my favorite chocolates of all time, a symphony. It's creamy milk chocolate with almonds and toffee chips. And so I created just this little sweet treat to gift along with my card and my tag to put in my goodie bag. And this is another little die cut that was paper pieced together, a little dachshund in a little witch's hat, super duper cute. This little die is also from my stash. And oh, this is from La La Land Crafts. This was from a subscription kit. I think it was March or April kit. You Are Sweet. It's a really cute die. So that's my third little project. So as you can see from Tina's description, you can create one card, one tag, and anything goes. It could be a treat bag, it could be embellishments, anything Halloween themed, as well as something that you can add a little critter stamp or a die cut on your project. All she wants to do is see what you created by commenting on her video as well as my video if you'd like to participate, and I hope you'd all do, because it's such a fun challenge to be able to pull out your critter stash and your stamps and hop onto your Cricut and create some really cute Halloween projects. Go on to Tina's channel and also check out her video. She will be doing a project share as well, October 1st, and I hope you were inspired. I know Crafty Paws will also be sharing her unboxing her kit, as well as a couple of her cute critter projects for you next week. So I hope you stay tuned for that, and I will also continue to share a couple of other elements. I would like to work on my Cricut next week and show you what I created. All right, don't forget to put the hashtag Tina's Cute Critter Challenge to participate, and all the details will be in the description box below. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.